What's up? Look at that, everyone. We got the boat out finally. This is an exciting time of the year. First outing. We're heading to Chamberlain, South Dakota with a buddy of mine, and we're gonna try and catch us some fish. Maybe, hopefully. We'll see. Let's do it. We got a roll, Jeff, bro. It only takes us till 1 o'clock, and then we get 2 back to back. How awesome am I? Rather late than never, I guess. We'll see another close one.
I didn't even measure him. He was at least an inch longer than the other one.
Told you you're the walleye whisperer. Fuck took you so long? Oh. Maybe if I was paying attention, I would have caught that fish, Jeffy. Same thing. It was just sitting on the bottom, and I picked it up, and it was there. So how'd you, did he pick that one up or what? And you gave him slack and let him chew on it? Oh shit. I about lost that rod. I was like, God, we're marking one. It's good netting practice for me. I just want to at least contribute one fish. That's all I want to do. I know. The only times I've had opportunities and I've screwed every single one of them up. Good job, Jeffy. Maybe it's that damn color. just barely picked it up though. Like you just, I don't know.
They're not throttled yet.
Well, I'm giving them all kinds of presents. I mean, it's so like faint that I almost couldn't even tell. Good job, Jeffy. Jumped the gun on that one. I'm gonna catch one before the day's over, Jeff. You just wait. Big, I'm tying one on. I don't know what it is. It's kind of.
Might be lucky if I can have it on my lap right now. Not this size anyway. I think I got some small ones.
About time. I don't think it's an edible fish. Or maybe it is. Wow.
I won't even measure this.
Biggest one of the day.
Second.
I don't know, they're pretty fat little guys though, they're healthy. I got one. Hey, I finally contributed. Looks like I'll be done eating now.
Huh?
Looks like I'll be done eating now.
You're starved tonight now, you thought one.
I've been eating all day. Took till 3:30 in the afternoon, but I finally got over that hump. It was probably from all those great tips from Jeff Wagner. Have spring fever. It took us about 40 minutes to load today even. And it is really